How to change your Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to update your avatar's hairstyle and access more style options. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left. From there, tap on your Bitmoji avatar shown at the top of your profile. At this point, this opens the Bitmoji editor. In the next step, tap on the hair icon along the bottom or side menu. Following this, browse through the available hairstyle options by scrolling left or right. Once done, tap on any hairstyle to preview it on your Bitmoji instantly. From here, tap on the color swatch next to it if you'd like to change the hair color as well. At this stage, if you're looking for more hairstyles beyond what's shown, tap on the search icon within the hair section and type in specific styles. Keep in mind, some hairstyles may be part of limited seasonal collections, so availability can change over time within the Bitmoji app. Finally, tap the checkmark or done button once you've selected your preferred hairstyle. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your Bitmoji hairstyle on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.